streets. In this park they have some wild eggs. Maybe we should take them home and cook a nice meal with it.
What do you think? Is it from the duck or is it from the pig?
我们想吃火锅，但是不要辣。Sichuan Chengdu hot pot experience with beers and delicious food. We like it very much. We were very surprised how delicious it is. Even the sauces with the beef inside and the sesame oil sauce with garlic and cilantro is delicious. I can highly recommend that you come to this restaurant.
What's the name of this restaurant?
I don't know, but it's right over my head.